Hi, I'm Mark from ESE Direct. Today we're looking at one of the Just benches from the quite extensive range. These are shelving derived benches, but as you can see they're pretty chunky and heavy duty. This version comes with a melamine face chipboard worktop and a melamine face chipboard lower shelf. And the position of the lower shelf is adjustable on these hole punchings in the upright. The sort of areas where you'd use a bench like this would be for light to medium duty assembly and workbench applications. The only places you wouldn't really want to use a bench like this would be if you were assembling or working on heavy metal components, because that's not going to suit the melamine surface. An area where this would be particularly good for use would be a clean room environment. So that would be somewhere where you're looking to avoid contamination. There is a variant of this bench which comes with a bare chipboard top, and that's the sort of product that you wouldn't want to use in your clean room environment. The legs of this bench come in a range of colours. So this one's the red one, obviously. There's a blue variant, and then there's a light grey, like the cross member here, but also a graphite dark grey. There's also two variants in the length of the bench and two variants in the width of the bench. The one we're looking at here today is 1830 long. We call that a nominal 1800 long, and the depth front to back is 760, and again our nominal dimension for that is 750. But it's important to remember the physical size is 760 by 1830. So the depth variant for this one is 900 millimeters deep, and the length variant is 2.4 meters long. Okay. So we've got two depth variants and two length variants. This one is 1800 long as a nominal dimension. The actual physical overall size is 1830. So you need to remember that when you're trying to fit it into a shorter space. The depth, nominal depth 750, but the actual overall depth is 760 millimeters. So the options that you have for the depth are the standard 750 and then a greater depth of 900, and the actual physical overall of the 900 will be about 910. With the option of extra length on this one, it goes out to 2.4 as a nominal. The overall length of that will be 2410. Now we're describing this bench as a light to medium duty, but that's in industrial terms. So this is actually a really, really strong, very rigid bench. It will take up to 300 kilograms, but that's evenly distributed over the width and the depth of the bench. When the bench is delivered, it's delivered in component form. So the legs will be loose, the heavy duty shelf supports and worktop supports will also be loose, and the construction is quite simple for two people. You simply locate the shelf supports into the punchings in the upright. Those can just be tapped into place with a soft-faced mallet. And once those are in position, you simply drop the top in place. And it's retained just by the little upstand on the upright that you can see here. The lower shelf is retained because that's within the angle uprights. Another feature of the bench is it comes with bolted floor fixings. So if you wanted to fix this bench in place, just with a nut and bolt fixing here, the metal plate is put in position, and that's got fixing holes in the bottom, so you'd be able to drill into a floor and make this solid bench even more rigid. Okay, thanks for watching, and if you need any further assistance, just give us a call on the number provided, and one of the technical sales team will be pleased to help you. So thanks again, and see you next time.